Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. I'm Eric Green. I'm the founder of TaxRep Network. TaxRep Network trains accountants, attorneys, enrolled agents on how to build an IRS representation practice. We consult with them every step of the way, have 200 hours of on-demand training, stuff on marketing, practice management, you name it. Well, here on the YouTube channel is where we're going to post a lot of our podcast information, a lot of just good information that the public should know as well as accountants, hints, tips. We're watching what goes on with the government changes, the IRS, Department of Justice. And so hopefully what you'll find here is not only great information to help your clients if you're a professional or yourself if you have an issue that you're dealing with, but also a lot of what is going on and what's new. So I hope you find this helpful. Please comment, let us know what you think about what we post. And if you can, like, subscribe, share it with friends, especially the tips, because we want to spread the word. There are a lot of folks, at least 25 million of them, that haven't filed, haven't paid, and are going to get caught up in all the automated enforcement and everything else that we can see that's going to go on and continue to ramp up. So if we can help people and spread the word, all the better. So listen again, from me to all of you, thanks for being here. I hope you find great content here. And again, comment, let us know what you think, and we keep just growing the channel. All right. Bye-bye.